How to get premium on Spotify. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and search for Spotify. Click on the first link that's available. Now log in or sign up to your account. As you can see here, my account is already logged in. I'm simply gonna click on Account Overview. Once you log into your account, you will land to the home page. Now it won't be hard to find this Join Premium option as it's all over the screen on Spotify. Click on the option Join Premium. When you do that, then it will navigate you to a different interface. On this interface, you will need to provide your location details, and once you do that, then you will need to provide your financial details. If you want to see all the plans, then scroll to the top. Here you will see the option Change Plan. Click on Change Plan. Now you will see different kind of plans right here. There are 4 plans in total called Individual, Student, Duo and Family. For individual, it starts from $12. For students, it's $6. For Duo, it's $17. And for family, it's almost $20. All the features of different package are listed here. You can choose according to your preferences. Once you do that, then fill out the payment details and you will get the subscription. That's all for today. Thank you.